Hello everyone, welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Our Kanchipuram VRK Silks is 2 decades old trusted brand and especially known for variety of designs and different collections. And we have a name for purest and finest silks in the entire fashion industry, and also we have more than 36 plus showrooms all across South India. So today I am going to show you affordable bridal sarees. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is a beautiful saree I am wearing. See, it's a beautiful color combination, dark lavender with red color combination, and see the all over the body, it has all over gold and silver zari flowers, very beautiful design. Plus here's the pretty border for the saree. It's in a contrast color, that is red color, and also it has a golden zari design, turning work design with peacocks, and it has a beautiful pretty pallu here. It's a red color silver zari rich pallu, and for this saree it has a red color tissue blouse with border, and the item code for this saree is LV3099 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. So today's speciality is all the sarees which I am going to show is all of same weaver's price. So let's get started without any delay. Next saree. So here is the beautiful saree. As I told you, it's an affordable bridal saree. You'll get for the 22,500 rupees only, and all over the body it has a silver zari floral weaving with Meena outline work, and here you see the big border, very beautiful border. In contrast color, that is pink color, and it has got a floral turning work as well, which makes the border looks pretty. And here we have a jacquard padia pallu for the saree, and the blouse, here is the blouse. It's a pretty blouse. This blouse makes the saree looks even more beautiful. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV2071 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500. Next saree. So here is the another saree. As I told you, these are all affordable bridal sarees at weaver's price. It's a very beautiful saree. All over it got a pretty florals and leaves design. And here is the border, pretty border with all over florals and leaves, and also self Meena outline, and a glorious rich pallu. It is in contrast color for the saree, and here we got a contrast blouse as well, which is in red color, that is plain matte field blouse with border. And the item code is LV3074 and weaver's price, as you all know, it's 22,500 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we got another beautiful saree. It's a beautiful combination saree, that is rust with pink color combination. And as you see here, it got a all over diamond cut design with golden zari here. Very beautiful and unique design, and a very big border. It has got a pink color plate with flower design, a big border. And here I show you the pallu of the saree. It's rich with golden zari rich design. And when it comes to the blouse, here is the blouse. It's a rust color tissue brocade blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3098 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. So if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9696669966. Now let's move on to another saree. So here we have another saree. It's with rust and red color combination, and See the body all over, it has got kairi with flower design, very beautiful design. And here is a contrast border. It's a red color golden zari kairi with plate border. As you can see, they have got a kairi design and the plate design in between the kairi design. And here is the pallu, red color golden zari designer pallu. And this saree has tissue blouse here with border, which looks great and goes very well with the saree. And the item code is LV3088 and the weaver's price, you all know, it's 22,500 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. Wow, here we have another gorgeous saree. Today I am going to show you very beautiful collection at the same weaver's price, so stay tuned. Here we have another affordable bridal saree. And see the body all over, we have got diamond cut design on the body. And here is the big border. It's a very big border and makes the saree looks even more beautiful. It has got all the golden zari design, turning work design, plus plate design as well. And here's the pallu. It's a golden zari rich pallu. And for this pretty saree, it has got a very beautiful blouse. It's a rust color brocade blouse with border. And the item code for this saree is LV3083 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Here is the another saree. It's rust with pink color combination. See all over the body, it's a silver zari designer flower booties. And it has got a very big border which looks very ethnic with golden zari plate design, as well as it has a parrot and flower design as well. And here is the pallu, grand rich pallu. It is in contrast color for the saree. And finally here is the blouse, very beautiful blouse that is in rust color, self waving tissue blouse. And the item code is LV3077 and the weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Here we have another pretty saree. It's an affordable bridal saree. And see here, it has got very unique features. All over the body, it has golden zari kairi booties with the abstract design. If you have a close look, you can see the design. It is very pretty. And see the border. It looks very unique. It has a self fancy designer border. And here we have a grand rich pallu for the saree. And the blouse, it's a red color brocade blouse with designer border. So the item code is L6722 and the weaver's price, you all know that is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Wow, this is a very beautiful saree we have here. It's a saffron gold with green color combination, very unique combination in bridal sarees. See here, it looks very rich with all this silver zari jal weaving. And also it has a diamond cut design. And here is the border, contrast color border, green color turning work border. And here is the pallu. It is also in contrast color, that is green color. Also it has a brocade design. And this gorgeous saree has a contrast blouse that is green color jacquard blouse with border. It goes very well with the saree, and I would suggest you to go for the saree as it looks very different, and the item code to get this saree is N0541 and Vivo's price is 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's with red and gold color combination. All over the body it's gold, as you can see. It's a very goldish saree, looks very rich, and all over flower design on the body. See here with pink color, and here we have a beautiful border. It's in red color, and also it has a kairi and flower design on that, and in between those design it has a plate design as well. And here I show you the pallu. So rich pallu, rich in design with golden zari. And here is the blouse for the saree. It's a tissue blouse with border. Very pretty saree, and the item code to get this saree is LV3084 and Vivo's price of the saree is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another bridal saree. All these sarees are at affordable prices, that is 22,500 rupees. So here we have another saree. It's a bridal saree, and all over the body it has the golden zari small flower booties design, and it has got a contrast border for the saree. It's in pink color, and also it has a golden zari design and peacock design with golden zari, which makes the saree looks even more beautiful. And here you see the pallu, very pretty pallu. It's in pink color, and also it has got a golden zari rich design. And when it comes to the blouse, here it is a blouse. It is also in pink color. It's a self-weaving tissue pallu, tissue blouse. And the item code for the saree is LV3087 and Vivo's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's in green color, and all over the body it has got silver zari flower design. Here you see, gives a very rich appearance, and it's a bridal saree. And here you see the border, very beautiful border it has got, and it has a peacock design as well as flower design on it, and also it has got a plate design. Overall it looks a very pretty. And here let me show you the pallu. Here is the pallu. It's a grand rich pallu, and this saree has got beautiful blouse. Here it's a green color tissue brocade blouse with border, and the item code is LV3093 and Vivo's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So as I told you, the Vivo's price of all these sarees is same. So grab your favorite saree at 22,500 rupees. So here we have another beautiful saree, and it is gold with royal blue color combination. You can see it looks very beautiful, and it has got all over flowers with blue color meenakari design, and here it has a big border in contrast color with golden zari design, peacock and diamond cut design. And here you see the pallu. It's rich with golden zari design. Also it is in contrast color for the saree, which makes look beautiful. And here is the blouse. It is also in contrast color, that is royal blue color. It's a tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this saree is LV3086 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So this is another beautiful saree. It's gold with navy blue color combination. It's a beautiful bridal saree, and see here, all over the body it has flower and leaf design which looks very ethnic, and here is the big border, contrast color border with peacock, floral and diamond cut design, and also it has a pink color core edge which gives a stylish, very stylish look to the saree. And here is a beautiful pallu. It is also in contrast color with golden zari design, and this saree has a navy blue color tissue blouse with border. And the item code is LV3097 and weaver's price, all you know that it's 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Wow, here we have another pretty saree, as it looks very different. It's a bridal saree. It looks very unique, and it's in pink and green color combination. See, all over the body it has got flower and leafy designer booties which makes it look very beautiful, and it has got a very pretty border here. It is in pink color, silver zari plate with flower designer border, and here we have a grand rich pallu with silver zari, and finally here is the blouse. It's a pink color tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3082 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another bridal saree, and this saree has all over jal flower design, and it is in combination with pink color. All over the body it is in gold color, as you can see, and this border is having a flower design as well as plate design, and here we have a very pretty pallu for the saree. It's self golden zari rich pallu, and when it comes to the blouse, it's a pink color tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV3095 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another saree. As I told you, these are affordable bridal sarees at weaver's price. All these sarees have same weaver's price, that is 22,500 rupees. I'll be showing very beautiful collection today, so stay tuned. So this is a parrot green color saree here. All over the body it has got padia work with peacock and leaf design, and it has got a very beautiful border. It's a very big border. It has a golden zari peacock design and a silver zari meenakari design as well. And see the pallu. It has self golden zari pallu, and the blouse here, it's a green color tissue blouse with border. So the item code is LV3060 and weaver's price, no need to tell, it's 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. So this is a gold with pink color combination saree. So very beautiful combination. So you all know it's a bridal saree. And you are getting it at a affordable rate, that is 22,500. very special offer. I would suggest you to go for the saree. And see here, all over the body it has got very unique pattern design, that is all over golden zari peacock and leafy design. And here is the border, it is in contrast color, that is pink color, golden zari flower designer and pleat border as well. And here is the pallu, it's rich with golden zari design. And this saree has a contrast blouse here, it's a red color tissue blouse with border. And the item code is LV3089 and viewers price, you all know that it's 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another gold and red color combination. This is similar to the previous one, but it has got different pattern, that is design. See, all over the body it has flower and leaf design. It's very beautiful and gives a very rich look. It has got a red border, it is in contrast color, and also it has a flower and leaf design on it. And here is the pallu, very beautiful pallu. It is red color golden zari rich pallu. And this saree has got a contrast blouse, that is in red color, it's a tissue blouse with border. The item code is LV3094 and viewers price is 22,500 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another bridal saree. It's a bridal saree. It's rust with red color combination. See, all over the body it's rust color, very rare combination. And all over the body it has got jal flower design with kairi booties, very intricate design. And here is a big border, very big border, and it is in contrast color. And see the golden zari design on it. It has got a peacock design as well as diamond cut design, and also it has a green color core edge which gives a classy look to the saree. And here it has got a grand rich pallu, here you can see very beautiful pallu. And finally here is the blouse, it's a red color tissue blouse along with the border. And the item code is LV3080 and viewers price, you all know that is 22,500 rupees only. So if you miss any of our live videos, don't worry, we'll be uploading all our videos in our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram channel. Just go and check there and grab your favorite saree. Next saree. So here we have another saree. So as I told you before only, these are affordable bridal sarees and I have a same viewers price. And here we have a pink and red color combination saree, and all over the body it has a flower and leafy design, you can see. And here is the border, it's in red color, it has got a golden zari peacock and pleat border. And here we have a very beautiful pallu for the saree, it's rich in design with golden zari. And when it comes to the blouse, it's a tissue blouse, comes along with the border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3079 and viewers price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful saree, it's with gold and pink color combination. All these sarees might look similar, but they have different pattern and different designs on the body. Here you see it got a very different beautiful design. It has all over parrot, lotus and leafy designer motifs, which looks very pretty. And here is a big border that is in pink color, and also it has rich with peacock and kairi designer big booties. Also it has got a diamond cut design as well. And here is the pallu, pink color, that is in contrast color for the saree, and it is rich with golden zari design, as you can see here. And let me show you the blouse. Here is the blouse. It's a pink color tissue self waving blouse. And the item code is LV3076 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Wow, here we have another bridal saree. It's a beautiful bridal saree. As you can see, it's a very rare combination, that is green and red color combination in bridal sarees. So all over the body it has got silver zari flower with leafy design. So, and here we have a red color border, contrast border with golden zari parrot and flower with diamond cut design as well. And the pallu is also in contrast color, that is red color. It has a diamond cut design and a floral design. And finally here is the blouse. It's a beautiful blouse which goes very well with the saree. It's in red color. It is a tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV3092 and weaver's price, you all know that, it's 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have a perfect bridal saree. It's a goldish red color. See, all over the body it has micro checks with silver zari lines, and also it has a self meena work and very big border for the saree. It looks great. It's in contrast, that is red color. It has a design, golden zari design as well as skirt border. And here is the matte feel pallu, rich in golden zari design, as you all can see. And the blouse is also in contrast color. See here, very beautiful blouse. It's a brocade blouse in contrast color with designer border. And the item code for this gorgeous saree is L6712 and weaver's price, you all know that, it's 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. So these are the beautiful sarees with affordable prices, that is 22,500 rupees. So here we have another saree. It's a gold with red color, and all over the body it has flower and leafy designer motifs and a beautiful border, that is in red color, rich with golden zari peacock flower and plaid border. And here you see the pallu. It is in contrast color, that is pink color, and has a golden zari rich design. As you all can see here, it has a diamond cut design as well as floral design, which makes it even more beautiful. The blouse here, it is also in contrast color, that is pink color, and it is a tissue blouse with border. It's a very beautiful bridal saree. You will get at affordable weaver's price, that is only 22,500 rupees, and the item code to get this saree is LV3075. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's a peach and green color combination, as you all can see. And all over the body it has got golden zari jal flower design, very intricate design, looks very rich. And here we have a contrast border, that is green color, golden zari peacock and flower designer border, and a contrast pallu as well. It's enriched with silver and golden zari design. And this saree has got contrast blouse as well. You can see here, it's in green color, self waving tissue blouse with border. The item code for this pretty saree is LV3096 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's a bridal saree, red with gold color combination. See here, all over the body it's gold color and it has a red color border, and all over the body it has a parrot, lotus and leafy designer motifs. See, very pretty design. And here we have a contrast border, rich with golden zari peacock with kairi design. It's a big border. And here is the pallu. It is also in contrast color and also rich with golden zari designs. And here is the blouse of the saree. It's a very beautiful blouse, red color tissue self waving blouse with border. And the item code is LV3090 and weaver's price, you all know that, it's only 22,500 rupees. So we have a video calling option also. You can call to our WhatsApp number, that is 969669966. Our customer executive will assist you further, and you can grab your favorite saree from sitting at your home only. Now let's check out other saree. So here we have another saree. Wow, here this saree looks very stunning with all this flower and leafy design on the body. And all over the body it's gold color, as you can see. It's a very beautiful saree, and see the border here. It looks classic. It is in pink color, and also it has a golden zari peacock design as well as plate design, and it has got a grand rich pallu. You can see here, very pretty pallu. And when it comes to the blouse, here it's a red color tissue blouse with border. And the item code is LV3085 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another pretty saree. It's gold with red color combination. So today we have seen so many gold with red color combination sarees, but they have very different patterns and designs. See, this saree has got all over flower and leafy design, and the parrot design as well. You can see here, it looks very intricate, very beautiful design, and it has got a contrast border that is red color, rich with golden zari leaves, flowers design, and also plate border in between these two designs. And here is the pallu, rich and golden zari design, and this saree has a tissue blouse with border. Very beautiful saree. It's a bridal saree. I would suggest you to go for the saree, and as it looks very good for your big day. And the item code to get this saree is LV3091 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. So I'll repeat again, to get the saree, just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 969669966. Next saree. So this is the last saree for today's section. It's a bridal saree, as you all know. So if you have missed this video, go to our Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, and we'll be uploading our videos there. Just watch and grab your favorite saree. So here we have another beautiful bridal saree. It's a rust and red color combination. See, all over the body it has got square with silver zari flower booties here, and has got a very big border that is in contrast color, that is red color designer border. And here is the pallu. It is also in contrast color and rich with golden zari design. and it has got a contrast blouse as well. You can see here, very beautiful blouse. It's a rust color tissue brocade blouse with border. And the item code is LV3078 and Vivo's price is 22,500 rupees only. Yeah, this is all about our collections today. Hope you all liked it. This is a very beautiful collection. I would suggest you to go for this collection. So I'll be back with many more beautiful collections in the next live. Until then, take care. Bye bye.